grew up round your pit, your work it was your pride. You hewed out coal, it went up north to fire ships from the Clyde. Your coal field was respected from the Falklands to the North Pole, but now they want to shut it down and put you on the dole. Ian McGregor, hired by the NCB, paid by the Tory government to shut your colliery. You've got a wife and 3 young kids and a mortgage overdue. Your mates and you were working then, you were the lucky few. They put the argument forward, you'd get redundancy. £20,000 for 25 years, but that's no good to ye. Ian McGregor, hired by the NCB, paid by the Tory government to shut your colliery. You've got a Tory government with a woman at the head. The lady's not for turning, but she's gone back on what she said. In 1974, me lads, you signed a plan for coal, but now that turncoat Thatcher wants you all put on the dole. Ian McGregor, hired by the NCB, paid by the Tory government to shut your colliery. Now some of you have been tempted to take this golden egg. Your wife and kids are starving, but you're still too proud to beg. Stick it out, me lads, and you will win. To the Tories do not bend. Stand by your national executive, stick it out to the bitter end. Ian McGregor, hired by the NCB, paid by the Tory government to shut your colliery. They say your pit doesn't pay its way, shut it down, cries the NCB. You've had your fair share of abuse in the press and on TV, but don't forget St Peters or the kids from Aberfan. They died in the name of coal, me lads, keep on fighting if you can. Ian McGregor, hired by the NCB, paid by the Tory government to shut your colliery. Ian McGregor, hired by the NCB, paid by the Tory government to shut your colliery.